So tan theta plus pi by 3 plus tan theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to root 3. So one of the biggest sum. First we need to write tan a plus b formula. For this we need to know the formula tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. First formula you need to learn tan a plus b. What is tan a plus b? Is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. I am going to apply here and apply here. This is a, this is b, the same a, this is b. So write tan theta as it is, tan theta plus tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Next same here, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to root 3. So tan theta plus, right, tan theta as it is, tan pi by 3 is tan 60. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3 divided by 1 minus tan theta. Tan pi by 3 is nothing but root 3. So next plus same tan theta, this is minus root 3. Tan 2 pi by 3 is, if you want you can try, check it answer. 2 pi by 3 tan, what is 2 pi by 3? 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 means 360. 360 by 3 is nothing but 120. I can write as tan 90 plus 30. I can write tan 90 plus 30. What is 90 plus 30? So 90 I can change tan into cot, first quadrant, minus cot 30 minus cot 30 again as minus root 3, because tan 30 is 1 by root 3 minus cot 8. Otherwise you can write as 120, you can write as 180 minus 60, so that you can get a minus tan 60 minus 1 by root 3. So this tan 2 pi by 3 is nothing but minus root 3. So 1 minus tan theta, tan 2 pi by 3, that is I will write straight also, tan 2 pi by 3 is nothing but minus root 3. So this will become minus root 3. I put in minus into minus plus root 3 is equal to root 3. Now I am going to make a cross multiplication. The procedure is some of the biggest one, tan theta plus cross multiply. This I am going to cross multiply with this one. 1 into tan theta is tan theta, 1 into root 3 is root 3. Next tan theta tan square theta, but root 3 plus root 3 tan square theta, very very important. Listen, 1 into tan theta 1 into root 3 is root 3. Now tan theta tan square theta, root 3 tan square theta. Next you see root 3 is 3 tan theta. Now this one we need to cross multiply, plus 1 into tan theta 1 into root 3 is minus root 3. Next you see tan into tan square theta, your root 3 present, minus root 3 tan square theta, minus root 3 tan square theta, minus into minus, plus root 3 into root 3 root 3, root 3 into root 3 is 3 tan theta whole divided by this is square root of 3, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, root 3 tan theta the whole square. So right, tan theta plus, what I am going to cancel, see, plus root 3 tan square theta minus root 3 tan square theta. Next plus root 3 minus root 3. Then another cancellation is possible, nothing. Tan theta plus 3 tan theta, 6 tan theta, 4 tan theta, 5 tan theta, 8 tan theta, plus 8 tan theta divided by 1 square is 1, root 3 the whole square is 3 tan square theta is equal to square root of 3. Now cross multiply here also. Tan theta into 1 is nothing but tan theta minus 3 tan cube theta, minus 3 tan cube theta, here plus 8 tan theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equal to square root of 3. Next see, here tan theta plus 8 tan theta is nothing but 9 tan theta minus 3 tan cube theta, 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equal to square root of 3. So what is common here? Straightly if we are going to see the common is nothing but we are going to take only 3. I am going to take 3 only common. If I am going to take 3, nothing but 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equal to square root of 3. What is this one? This is nothing but tan 3 theta. tan 3 theta is nothing but 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square, nothing but that is 3 triple identity tan 3a, this formula. So 3 into tan 3 theta is equal to square root of 3. This 3 I am going to bring down. Tan 3 theta is equal to square root of 3 divided by 3. This one I can square root of 3. This 3 I can square root of 3, square root of 3. Both will be cancelled. Therefore, tan 3 theta is nothing but 1 divided by square root of 3. This 1 divided by square root of 3, again tan 3 theta is equal to tan of. This is in the first quadrant, positive 1 by root 3, nothing but tan 13. Tan 30 is nothing but pi by 6, tan of pi by 6. You know the formula. What is the formula? Tan theta is equal to tan alpha, which implies theta is equal to n pi. You know the formula? Theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, comma n belongs to z. Here theta is nothing but 3 theta. Alpha is nothing but pi by 6, n pi plus pi by 6. Now 3 comes down. Theta is equal to n pi by 3 plus pi. 3 6 are 18, comma n belongs to z. So this is the required answer for this sum. Very biggest sum only, but you need to do very carefully.